Hello, kids. Welcome to Amazing Birds Around Us. Today, we're going to learn about three incredible birds, the sparrow, the peacock, and the eagle. Are you ready? Let's get started. Peacocks have colorful feathers and beautiful dances. Look at how they spread their feathers in a magnificent fan shape. A peacock's feathers have eye-like spots that can change color in the light. First, let's meet the sparrow. Sparrows are small, brown birds move in gardens and parks. They love to chirp and sing songs. Sparrows build nests using twigs, grass, and even feathers. Eagles are powerful birds with sharp eyes and strong talons. They can fly very high and see from far away. Eagles build largest nests of any bird. Eagle nests called eyries can be as big as a car.